In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Nintendo Switch 2 is not turning on. So if you're getting this black screen and you're trying to press the power button but nothing is happening, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this. Now the first step is you just want to go and hold down the power button for around about 20 seconds. Now this is going to perform what's known as a hard reset. So I'm just going to do this now and I'm going to keep holding this button down for around about 20 seconds. After 20 seconds have passed, you can then go in and release this button. And then what we're going to do is hold down the volume up and the volume down button, which is located right next to the power button. And while we're holding these two buttons down, you just need to go and try and turn on your Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to hold the power button for a couple of seconds and that should go and turn it on. And that should theoretically go and launch your Nintendo Switch into recovery mode. So if you do see this recovery mode, what you can do is just go and power off your Nintendo once again. So I'm going to hold down at the power button once more. After about 10 seconds, your screen should go black. And then you can just go and hold the power button once again to try turning your Nintendo on. Now, if for some reason that's not working, then what we're going to do is just go and grab the dock for the Nintendo. It should look something similar to this. So once you have your dock, just go and insert your Nintendo Switch into the dock like this. Make sure it's aligned up and inserted correctly. We're then going to come around to the back of the dock and you need to go and locate your USB-C cable. Now, this is the cable that runs from your dock to the main power supply. So I'm going to plug one end of this into the back of the dock like this, and the other end, this needs to be plugged in to your main power supply. You can then try leaving this on charge for around about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes have passed, you can then go and release the Nintendo Switch from the dock, and you can try holding down the power button and checking if that's now turning on. Now, if that's not working, the final solution is just to go and release the joystick controllers from the left and right hand side of your Nintendo. So I'm just going to use the release lock to detach both of these controllers. Once the controllers are detached, you can try putting your Nintendo Switch back onto charge. This can either be in the dock or you can try it without the dock as well. Once again, leave your Nintendo on for another 20 minutes charging. After 20 minutes have passed, we can try turning on the Nintendo, and that should have now solved your black screen issue. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.